What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Cozumel, Mexico. What we're going to do is we're going to actually hop on the ferry in Playa del Carmen, show you what that looks like. Then we're going to actually arrive in San Miguel, and we're going to get a buggy and take it all the way around the island. That's what we're going to do right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So this here is the pier in Playa del Carmen. We're headed out towards the ferry. Yeah, they really know how to cram you in here. I mean, this is like cramming sardines into a can. Full boat. No seats, no seats. Alright, now we've arrived in San Miguel on the island of Cozumel. We're actually walking towards where we're picking up the buggy. Thank you. Very nice. So apparently we're 2 blocks over here. Nata. This is Cozumel, San Miguel. We're gonna go around the island on one of these off-road vehicles, so that should be fun. See how everything goes after that boat ride. The smell of diesel is no good when you're downstairs like that. Maybe you could go VIP on that boat. Might be better. So this is our buggy or what?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we made it to the east side of Cozumel, and we're coming over here to get some food. Good. Whoa. There we go. Hola, señor. Horny zone. What do they got over here? We're taking this Mexican dune buggy across the town here. Oh wow, naked beach. Wow, we got horny zone there. Oh wow, look at this beach. Yeah, so over here is the outhouse, the bathroom, and you can see the horny zone as it says right there on the sign. But this is the naked beach. There's like one Jeep way out there. I saw it on my drone, but beautiful island here. We're gonna head that way, so let's do it. There's Naked Beach. Got a spot here. Too much tools. We're filming you. You're on camera. You're on camera, candid camera. Mexican TV.
Oh, Mexican TV. No.
Univision.
Oh my God, you are a paparazzi.
Yeah.
You're a paparazzi. Okay, you wanna film the Mayan?
I wanna see.
How doing the Mayan?
See. Maybe you need one more channel.
Yes, I need one more because I have
One more needle nose.
I have it, yes.
So we've had to park the car because there's no reverse. It doesn't reverse. No reverse. But there's a look at the dune buggy. We're cruising. Hold on. See? Okay. What's this? Oh, we just ate. We're see. the tequila. So what is this place called? Oh, they got massages. Surf school. Wow, look at this place. Oh my God. Look at this. We go right over here. Hammock. Here. Wow, you could totally easily go swimming in that little lagoon. Even though the, wow, look at this. Oh man, look at this. Perfect. See?
It's my art.
Oh, you make a fish.
Yeah.
It's a food, comida?
Fish bottle opener.
Oh, bottle opener.
Let me show you how I made it. I polish with the grinder machine this abalone, cap the pieces and make piece by piece about stainless steel already.
Amazing.
This is how 120 pieces and you can put in your table like this. Something cool.
It's a bottle opener.
And rest of the pieces we make a nice turtle with the black coral and the abalone.
Oh wow.
Something different.
That's black pearl?
Black coral.
Oh, coral.
Yeah, man. It's coming in the ocean. Look.
Right here?
Yeah. When I polish to the grinder machine, look at that. Make a nice pieces.
Yeah.
This is my work.
Let me see this one.
Yeah. This is for men, huh?
I see.
Look at. I got this. Look at.
Wow, that is nice. How much?
This is a 65.
Oh.
But look.
It's good. It's worth it. It's just
Yeah,
I don't
but-
have that money right now.
Let us do something because you know
Huh?
what? We can give you a good discount because I don't buy this. I made it for sale here.
Oh.
This is my work. Do you really like this one or that one?
That one's beautiful.
How much you give me? Give me good offer. Say I can give you. Because you know what is my first. Bring your friend maybe. Something.
You know money.
No money.
No money, no honey.
No money, no honey.
Too many honey, no money. Why? All right, we come back. Coconuts. They speak 100% Spanglish. Hola, señor.
Yes.
Yeah, gracias. Wow. It's okay, I'm looking. Wow, look at that. Just kind of exploring around this area called Coconuts. See what's over here. Oh, they got a massage. Okay. Okay. So the habanero is spicy?
Yes.
Guacamole. Ah, shrimp ceviche. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Gracias,
See you
señor.
mañana.
See you mañana. I hope. Such a hilarious tree. Gringo tree, always red and peeling. That is great. 100% Spanglish. Don't forget that. See you mañana. Shall we call him a he or a her? Old Faithful? Look at her. So this is restaurant Chen Rio at La Playa. This is another beach, a beautiful one. More white sand right here. Oh yeah, wow. Oh wow, this is the white sand beach right here. On the dar down here, but I see people swimming anyway. It's just a little bit down the way from the cafe, the Restaurante Rio. This place here is called Albertos. It's near Punta Sur. Let's see what they got going on over here. Best tail I ever had. Let's see. Okay. This here is Albertos. This is almost facing towards Playa del Carmen. That way is the San Miguel. Really flat water, which is good for us going back on the ferry boat. Means the water's calmed down. All right, so now we've arrived at Playa Mia Grande. As the sun is setting, kind of. It's 5:00 p.m. Much more relaxed ocean and beach on this side of the island than we had on the Caribbean facing side, which was the east. Very relaxed over here. Let me look at that water. It's so calm. Literally like glass between here and Playa del Carmen. Most gentle waves. Look at that. All right, so here we are at the actual port. You can see the boats out here. So it's in decent condition, but it looks like it's reeling a bit. Probably seen better days, you know, this port. All right. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Cozumel Island. If you guys enjoyed it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you guys on the next one.